And looking back at your journey coming to fill up your technician training,
Yeah.
how would you rate that experience?
I would rate that experience of 5 stars. I would give it a 4 or 5 stars.
For coming to the school?
Yes, for coming to the school. I can't recommend it enough. I was just sharing with Miss Nicole that I was in a very dark place. And even just meeting Miss Nicole in admissions to start, I knew that this place was going to help me move forward. And I stayed focused. I didn't get deterred by other people's unhappiness. I knew that I had no other choice by the time I made it here. This was do or die for myself. And I treated it as such, and I received all the help that I needed. I received the opportunities with job placement, the help with the resume, and I really made it work for myself. I gave myself no other choice, and I haven't looked back.
Do you have anything that you would like to final say for any of the students that are coming through Philadelphia Technician Training Institute?
Yes, any students now, if I could encourage you to stay focused, if I could encourage you to believe in yourself, if I could encourage you to know that there are opportunities for us once we get through these programs. My life is better than it's ever been. I give all glory to God, and I'm also grateful to be here at Philadelphia Technicians Trainings because they helped me change my life.